it's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be kind of a new video for me. It's gonna be a vintage home decor haul. So I know there's so many of you that have recently come to my channel because you are super interested in home decor, and I do buy a lot of really new stuff, but I love vintage home decor shopping. So I know that I won't be able to like link these exact items because they are vintage. If you guys are open to it, I will still show all of the vintage finds that I get. I will try to find similar close items to them available on the internet, but let me know if you would like to see the vintage stuff also, or if you just want to see new. So if you're stumbling across this for the first time, welcome, and you can check out some of my other home decor videos. I'll have them linked down below for you guys, and leave me a comment if you're new so I can say hello and what's up. And I'm so excited to show you what I got, so let's hop in. Okay, so I just need to preface this video a little bit with like where I picked up these items. So I went into this really cute boutique in the Dallas area called Blue Jean Baby. I will link it below. My top is from there, but I met the owners and the girls are seriously so cute. They do about half their store vintage and half their store new, and they design like their own items. So they find some killer vintage home decor clothing. Like, they're so good at it, and I was so inspired. I was asking them like, where do you go vintage shopping? So they told me, they're like, oh my gosh, estate sales are like the thing, like you need to go to them. And I always loved going to estate sales, but I didn't like do it like religiously. So they showed me this app. It's called estatesales.net. It's just an app, it's free, and it literally just shows you all of the estate sales in your area and like what times, and shows pictures of everything. So anyways, I was like, okay, I'm going. I was like so inspired, and I was like, I need to look them up. So I went to literally like 3 that weekend, and I found a lot of really good stuff. And now it's like me and Hunter's new favorite thing. Like, we're gonna go to estate sales every weekend. We like keep looking them up, and we're like, which ones can we go to? Like, it's like treasure hunting. It's so much fun, and you can get things at such an affordable price. It's absolutely crazy. So anyways, this is not sponsored by the estatesales.net app at all. I just am obsessed with it and thought I would tell you guys how to find the sales. So I went to a couple of them last weekend, and I want to show you guys what I found. A lot of it this time around was kind of like barware and like kitchen stuff, but I did get a couple of other things as well. So the first item that I got was this like kind of crystallized looking bowl, and honestly, like, I just think I've seen a lot of this style of dishware like on Instagram, and I see people put like jewelry in it. So I've just been tossing like my rings and jewelry in this, and it looks so gorgeous in photos. It's beautiful, and I think it was literally like $10. So love this. I'm obsessed with it. Also in that similar style, I scored some really amazing glassware. So I saw these champagne flutes, and you guys know, if you've watched my other home decor hauls, like, I love barware. I'm like obsessed with having like different cups and stuff. So this is totally the style of my other ones. It has the little detailing at the bottom, and they're just like nice champagne flutes, and I don't really have a lot of champagne flutes, so I was like, oh, these are perfect. They're fun, they're kind of different, and they have a little like gold kind of rim at the top. So I was so excited about these. I got a set of 3, I think, which is kind of an odd number, but I don't care. I kind of want to have like an eclectic like cocktail glass mix of just like all different types of cups. I think it's so much fun. I also, like, kind of matching this set, got these just regular glasses, and they're the same style, but they're just like a normal kind of barware cup, and they have the little trim around the top. And again, I think I got like all these cups for like maybe 30 bucks or something, and got 4 of these, 3 of these, so it's a banging deal. I'll link, I know there's definitely cups that style that are available like online, so it's definitely like super economical to buy them secondhand, but I'll link ones that are like brand new on the internet. I have some from Crate & Barrel and some from other stores, so I'll link those below if you like that style. Okay, so I also got a few really cute kind of like dishware and serving platters. So I really like don't have any serving platters at all, and luckily I like don't have a ton of guests over all the time, like big crowds, so I haven't had to have like use that many serving platters, but I knew I needed some. So I picked up this cute little vintagey one from the estate sale, and it's just so cute. It's like nice small size, you can put like veggies in it or whatever, but I just think it's so cute. I love like the blue and white. It looks very like farmy, and I don't know, just like really simple and cute. And I just love like the patterns, like the older style patterns. I think they're so like, I don't know, dainty and farmy-esque, and they're just really cute and pretty. So perfect little like serving platter dish. And then I also picked up kind of like similar style to that set, just like a regular serving platter. And this is kind of like similar style, light blue with white. It's just cute. Okay, we also saw this set of plates, and they're again kind of in that style, but just like a really cute little like detailing on around the perimeter, and they kind of like look like china, but like I've just never invested in china, and I feel like it's so much more fun to like find cute plates that are like secondhand or vintage, because the patterns are really special and they're just really cute. So it has like these really pretty gold lining around the edge, but I love the colors. Again, very kind of like farmy and just so pretty. And we got a set of like 12 plates for like $40 or something. So that is like, if you guys know how much dinnerware, like dishware costs, that is like a really good deal, and they're just really cute. So I love these. I actually like, similar to my barware and glassware, I want to get like a mixture of like all vintage plates and have like vintage like plates as like my serving plates. So when people come over, like I don't want anyone to have like one of the same dish. It just is so cool for it to be like unique. It like feels more like cottagey and homey to me, and this is just the beginning. I also saw this really cute salad bowl. We make tons of salads, so I will always pick up a salad bowl, but it was really cute. It has this little design in the bottom, like berries, and just again very farmy and really cute and just like summery looking, and it's just very simple. But I don't know, none of these are like that fancy, but I just like them. I think they're so cute and like look very quaint and like really cute in the kitchen. And I love like solid modern like ceramic pieces as well, but I think it's nice to have a little mix of both. So you can get these so inexpensive too, like I can't get over it. Okay, moving on, I picked up this really cool like vanity jewelry tray that I've been putting my jewelry on, and I've seen these kind of like at a lot of different sales, vintage stores, secondhand stores and stuff like that. So I love this one. It just has like a gold kind of perimeter with like a mirrored bottom, but I just like lay all of my jewelry in it, and I think it looks so pretty. You could put like perfumes, fragrances, and just like sit it on your vanity or on your dresser, and it just looks gorgeous and very kind of like French style. I just think it looks really pretty. Okay, lastly, I picked up this linen, and I think it's really cool. Hunter was like not so sure about it, but I'm gonna make it look really cute. But it's this massive blanket, and I don't think you're gonna be able to see the patterning on there, but it's kind of like almost bohemian texture, but it is literally huge, you guys. Like I wouldn't even be able to fit it in the frame, but it goes like on a bed. It's probably like definitely bigger than like a king size bed, but if you see the patterning, it looks very like bohemian, but I like how it's just pure white, so it doesn't go like too southwestern, but it adds a really nice texture to the linens and the beds. And I like playing around. I want to keep all of my colors neutral, but having different textures and little details like this really like make the difference. And if you can like layer them and like build a beautiful bed, I think it looks awesome. So I thought that was a really good find. It was she only charged me $15 for the blanket, which is amazing. And I just bleached it and washed it, and yeah, I'm really excited to like lay that over our bed and like see how it looks and layer it with a bunch of other pieces. So normally like those types of blankets and quilts would be so expensive, and I think there's like a name for them that she used, so I might be able to find those online, or those types of blankets online. But yeah, linens I feel like are definitely like an awesome find. You can find cute little like lacy pillowcases and like tablecloths and stuff like that. They just like, that's definitely the place to get them. Okay, so I hope you home decor fans enjoyed this like vintage haul. Let me know what you think of the vintage thing down below. I really want to hear from you guys, and I'm gonna keep going to estate sales because I love doing it, and like our style is totally mixing old and new. So hopefully you can see that like all come together. And I have another house update video coming soon, so keep your eyes peeled. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in a couple days. Bye.